We'll get on.
Uh-oh, did he get some on him? Hi, Betty. Is Sissy feeding you?
Kira got some.
Oh, is there some left? You say, open wide, bud.
Here comes the bite. Bite.
You guys are so silly. Okay.
Kissy and the Casey.
Wait, you're gonna give him that plate? Oh, you want to see this? Yeah. See? It's food.
No. That's a circle. You give me the right way. Muty. I better get the napkin.
Is he so messy? You gonna wipe him off with a napkin?
I got some on me.
That's okay. We'll change you.
There's some on you too.
Oh no. Oh, we're all messed up.
Uh-oh, we all messed up.
Hey, bud. Did Sissy feed you?
Mama, can I give him some a little bit bite?
Yes.
Sweet gook. Sweet. Sweet.
You want to give him some more? All right. He's got some left.
Okay, bud. I'm ready. Open wide, bud. Open wide. Bud.
You gotta put it in his mouth.
Bud.
Gentle, not too far. That's too far. Okay, there you go. That's good.
He's been some. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. We better clean this up. Oh, silly.